Greetings everyone, I hope you're well. In this video, I want to teach you how to execute trades at real-time prices on the Trendo trading platform. There are two main methods for trading on Trendo: quick trading with one click, trading with advanced settings. Stay with us to learn both methods in a simple and efficient way. The first method is one-click quick trading via the chart. In this method, you can easily trade with just one click. First, select the symbol you want to trade from the main page. If the symbol you are looking for is not on the main page, just select the Add Symbol option at the bottom of the page. Here, you can choose your desired symbol from various categories or type its name in the search box to find it faster. Now, suppose I want to trade gold. I click on the gold symbol to open its chart. Now, in the box below the chart, I first specify the trade size and then execute the trade type, buy or sell with one click. For example, I open a buy trade at the current market price with a lot size of 0.1. As you can see, the trade opened quickly with just one click. To close the trade, simply click on the position's profit or loss and select Close. This method is especially great for scalpers and those who care a lot about trading speed because they can open and close trades rapidly with just one click. The second method is trading through the trade page. In the second method, you can use the trade page to execute your trades. First, click on the plus and then select your desired symbol. For example, I will select gold again. Then specify the trade size and choose the type of the trade. For now, we want to execute the trade at market price. In future videos, we will teach you other types of trades like conditional trades. Here, you can easily set your take profit and stop loss levels. For example, I want to open a sell trade on gold. I set the stop loss at 3,500 and the take profit at 3,350. Now I tap on the sell option, and as you can see, the trade is opened simply and quickly. To close the trade, just click on the open position, select close and confirm to close the trade. Well friends, this tutorial is over. In coming videos, we will teach you about advanced settings, editing trades, and placing pending orders in a straightforward and practical manner. Thanks for watching. See you next time and happy trading.